Hi, my name is Elizabeth Kruger, and I'm going to show you the basic process for entering observation data in Nature's Notebook. This is the main Nature's Notebook page. I already signed in, so I'll go over here to my observation deck. It takes a minute or two to open. This is the main observation page. If you scroll down to observations, you can see that the area that I have several sites set up. The one I'm looking at today is McNenny WMA, which is Wildlife Management Area. It's a spot that's managed by the state a little ways west of Spearfish, South Dakota. The plants and animals that I'm looking at out there include a green ash tree and black-capped chickadees. I added these earlier, and I can show you what that screen looks like here. This is the screen for the ash tree. I started out by typing in this box, the plant species box, green ash, and it gave me the Latin name. Gave it a name so I could tell specifically which tree I was talking about. And then these are all drop-down options, just some basic information about it. For the chickadee, there was even less information that I had to put in. Gives you a long list of all kinds of different critters here. If you want to narrow it down, you can either start out with species group, just go with birds, or by your state, and that will shorten up the list for you. Once you find the one you want, you click Add to Checklist, and there it is. So we'll go back to the main page. Now, there's an option to use field data sheets, which I won't go into because that's not usually how I do it. They're complicated data sheets, but I usually am just entering data directly electronically, so I don't use the data sheets. And here's the spot for entering observation data. Okay. So I will put in an observation for today, which is June 30th. Contribution of time. I spent about 15 minutes out there again, and 15 minutes of travel. For animal observation method, I spent about 15 minutes walking. There was no snow because it's June, and I didn't have any special notes on the site visit, so I'll skip those. First, for the ash tree, what I'm going to do here is circle all no, which is easier to do than I can just circle yes for the ones that I actually saw. The one that I saw was leaves. I saw leaves over at least 95% of the tree. I didn't see flowers or fruits, so that's all I need to put down for the ash tree today. For the black-capped chickadee, I'll do the same thing. I'll circle all no. Then I did see active individuals. There were 2. They were feeding. Well, only one of them was feeding. Did I see fruit and seed consumption? Yes, one of them was eating seeds. And I think it was also eating bugs, just by its behavior. Did I hear calls or song? Yes, I heard both of them making their little alarm noises. I didn't hear singing or territorial individuals or any of the other options here. So that was it. No other comments. So that was a pretty straightforward day of observation. So submit observations. All right, then it leaves you at this site, and you could enter more data if you wanted to. I don't need to. So I'll go back up here to the observation deck. And that's all there is to it. There are other ways to, say, download or visualize your data, but I'm just showing you how to enter things today. So that's all for now. Thank you.